Ship it up, 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 ship it up.
Look at my new hair. What do you guys think? Do you like my new look? And we're done! I'm thinking to go to Tacoma Mall, but now I don't think I need to go there. It's already time. Guys, nag-spend ako ng $75. I should go to H Mart to buy okra and sitaw for kare-kare. I'm planning to make some kare-kare. I don't think I have time to go there because I have work. Just want to stay at home and then cook and then sleep, watch movies. I'm the type of person who just stay at home. Okay, fine. Huh? Actually, hindi ko alam kung ano ba talaga yung gusto ko. Pero masasabi ko lang na mahilig akong lumabas. I like to go out whenever I'm feeling going out, especially by myself. Like I like doing groceries or like going shopping. And sometimes, oh my gosh, sometimes I do it at once. Like all those things. Kasi minsan lang ako magkaroon ng day off. I always work on the weekdays and on the weekends. It depends. Like if my friends wants to hang out with me, I normally eat outside with my friends. Don't get me wrong, I love hanging out with people, but not all the time. I like hanging out with myself. But hindi ako masyadong gala, ganon. Hindi ako, yung energy ko nauubos agad. Depends who I hang out with. Minsan nauubos yung money ko sa food talaga. Grocery food, not like restaurants or something. Honestly, lahat na lang nauubos yung money ko. Lahat ng naiisip nyo. Char. So guys, I'm just gonna show you what I got in Artbox K Beauty. It's my favorite store now. I got this hair band. This highlighter. It's a carrots highlighter. Isn't it cute? They're so cute. Then yung purple. Kung violet siya. Kala ko ganito yung color niya. Okay, sobrang violet. Violet niya. Guys. Hindi siya yung parang muted na ano. But it's still nice. This one right here. It says sunscreen. Wow. Wala siyang amoy. Two, I got this Romand Romand Black Spectrum in the shade 17, Berry in Black. This one looks good because it's black, tapos nag-change color siya. Meron ding yung another shades in the shade 16. Maganda din yun. May color lang, pero this one is full. Siguro mag-stick siya, mag-aano siya sa color ng lips mo. So, black siya. Ang cool. Because I have the Romand glassing balm na 13 Scotch Nude. Maganda din siya, guys. This one I'm wearing right now. So, I might just go home right Pauwi na sana ako eh. Nasa Jollibee ba kayo? May natira ba kayong Chicken Joy? Oo. Okay lang. Uy, nice. Take a picture.